Are you interested in learning how to trade the stock market? Well, join us at StockStarters.com and swing trade your way to profits. Learn how to take advantage of a downward trending market as well as an upward trending market. As Stock Starters, we are going to teach you how to lock in your profits when the market is trading downward. We're also going to teach you how to lock in your profits during an upward trend. In addition to learning the trends, we're going to teach you how to look for previous pivot points and profit targets. Learning how to trade the stock market does not have to be difficult. Join us. Sign up for our beginner courses, our trading room, or our text alerts. At Stock Starters, we're going to teach you how to swing trade your way to profits.